Today, I'm diving deep into my full experience with Exabytes web hosting. As someone who regularly tests and uses hosting platforms, I wanted to take a closer look at what Exabytes offers and whether it's a good fit for businesses, personal projects, or developers who care about stability and pricing. Right from the start, Exabytes comes across as a platform focused heavily on Southeast Asia, especially Malaysia and Singapore. That local focus is reflected in both their pricing and data center options. But is that a strength or a limitation? The onboarding process is fairly smooth, although the UI looks a little outdated compared to modern platforms like hosting or Cloudways. Still, it's functional. You get access to a simple client area where you can manage services, billing, and support tickets. The cPanel integration is standard, which is both good and bad. Good because it's familiar, bad because it lacks innovation or any real customization. Performance-wise, I tested a WordPress install with standard plugins and themes. Load times were decent for Southeast Asia visitors, but less impressive from US or EU-based test points. If your audience is global, this might not be the best option. Their shared hosting plans are priced competitively, but you start seeing limitations when you scale. RAM and CPU caps hit quickly if you're running dynamic content or receive traffic spikes. One area where Exabytes does well is customer support. I had an issue with SSL installation, and the live chat response was fast and helpful. However, when I submitted a technical ticket, the response took almost 24 hours. That's not ideal if you're running a business-critical site. Security tools are basic. SSL comes included, but malware scanning and backups are limited unless you pay extra or handle it yourself. If you're tech-savvy, that's not a huge issue, but for beginners, it's worth noting. Email hosting is offered as a separate service, which may be a downside for users expecting everything bundled. And just when it felt like everything was lagging, AltaHost turned out to be the one solution that simply works. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another point worth mentioning is that Exabytes offers localized payment options and frequent promos, especially around Malaysian holidays. That can make it cheaper than international competitors at certain times. However, transparency around renewal pricing is lacking. Initial costs are low, but renewal rates can be up to 3 times higher, and it's not clearly shown during checkout unless you read the fine print. Uptime has been stable during my 30-day test, with 99.96% availability, which is acceptable but not exceptional. They also push a lot of upsells, everything from extra email accounts to spam protection and daily backups. It's not a deal breaker, but it can feel overwhelming for first-time users. Their cloud and VPS options are more robust and better suited for developers or growing businesses. You get root access and more flexibility, but pricing scales quickly once you add add-ons. Overall, Exabytes feels like a solid regional hosting provider with good support and decent uptime, but it lacks the global speed and polish of top-tier competitors. If your business is based in Southeast Asia and you're looking for local support, it might be a great fit. But if you need international scalability or advanced features, you might want to consider alternatives. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest hosting reviews and tech walkthroughs.